Spaceport! Good day. We're outside the brand new spaceport where the rocket launch is about to take place. The rocket is carrying a very special cargo for the International Space Station. Look, there are so many interesting things around the spaceport. There's a build-up area, launching pad, and a command post. It's a hard job to launch a rocket into space. We really hope it will all go well this time. Whoops!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Look guys, it's a new minivan. It has all kinds of special equipment inside. News minivan goes around reporting news so that people at home could watch its reports on TV. This time it wants to tell people about the big rocket launch that takes place today. But it can't send the signal anymore.
Looks like you need some fixing. Let's see what's the problem. Yep, just as I thought. You broke your antenna. What a bummer. You can't send a signal with a broken antenna, and people at home won't see the rocket launch. What? Nobody will see me? Then I'm not going. There's no need to worry. We'll fix you up. Okay, let's see. I think I know what's wrong. Will you help me to fix our friend, guys? Alright, let's fix your antenna first. Help me pick the right part.
How about this one?
I'm afraid it's just a stick. That's not what we need.
How about the pipe?
The pipe? Oh no, we're trying to fix an antenna, not a sink.
What about this part?
That fits well. Now let's get the rotating mechanism.
Is this the one?
Well, you can put an antenna on it, but it won't spin.
Will this spin?
It will, but it doesn't have legs to stand on.
What about this part?
Yep, that's it. Now let's put all the parts together. We did it!
The launch will begin any minute now. Everyone should pay attention and act carefully. Launching a rocket into space is a very big deal. Let's wish luck to our friend News Minivan.
Finally! What took you so long? Wish you a great journey!
The launch went well. Thanks to BiBi, News Minivan did its job and everyone at home saw the rocket launch. Millions of people saw the rocket being sent into space. Everyone who took part got a medal. BiBi got one too. What a great day for humankind!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi and the sinking boat.
Hey guys, here we are at my workshop once again. One of my friends gave me this cool thing. It's a magnifier. It makes things 3 times bigger. Cool, huh? Oh, BiBi's workshop, BiBi speaking.
Hello, this is Captain Beaver speaking. I called to invite you to test our new boat.
Wow, that's very interesting. Where should I come?
The place right by the lake. We want you to come over and see our brand new hydrofoil.
Great! I'll be there.
Great, we expect to see you tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Goodbye.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Wow! That is awesome.
Nice to meet you, BiBi.
Good day.
These are my people. Beaver Steersman, he's always by the wheel. And Beaver Motorist, he looks over the engine.
I see. And what do you do, Captain?
Well, I set the path and control the vehicle. Welcome aboard. Help yourself with the lunches. The sun is great today.
Ah, that's like a dream come true. What a day.
Give off the moorings, full speed ahead. To the left. There's a boat up ahead. I said to the left. Hurry, hurry.
Oh, wow! Looks like we hit something. We can barely move.
BiBi, looks like we just landed on a dinghy. We have a hole down there. The water's rising. We're sinking.
Uh-huh. Coming. Help on the way. Guys, what do we do on the sinking ship? Do you know? Think about it while I get help. That's really important to know. So, what do you do when you're on the sinking ship? Scream for help even louder? Help! Help! Somebody! Maybe we should just jump off the boat then? Run for your lives! Ah! Or maybe we should put on life jackets and wait for the captain to speak up. What should we do, guys? What's your idea? I think we better put on those life jackets and wait for captain's orders. I think he knows better what to do when you're on the sinking ship.
Attention everyone, our vessel is sinking. Help, we're sinking. Can anybody hear me?
Alright, here I am in the hold. Whoa! This is no joke. We must act fast. How do we fix this, guys? Any ideas? What if we use a bunch of racks? Or what about a white plank? We can support it with something big and heavy. Whoa! My legs are all wet now. This is no use. The water will still get through. Oh, I know. We need a rubber gasket. That should do it. Oh, I have a rubber gasket. It's the mat I've been sleeping on. If we split it in two, it should fit. I'll go get it. Alright. Good. Now let's pin it down a little with a plank. And now we need a support. I've got this wooden plank from one of the beavers. Let's prop up that gasket. Huh? Phew. There we go. It's all fine now. Hello?
Hold on there, BiBi. I've sent an SOS. They're coming to get us.
Captain Beaver, I fixed the hole. We're not sinking anymore.
What? Really? Well, that's simply marvelous. We're saved. Hey, listen to me, team. Let's turn around. We're coming back home. We need to fix this thing. Thanks, BiBi. You saved us. You saved our new boat.
Yeah, I really didn't want this beautiful boat to sink. I hope you'll ask me to join you some other time soon.
Sure. You're the best mechanic in the world, BiBi.
And so this is how I spend my Sunday. Had a stroll on the lake and helped to save the boat. Remember to press the like button, you guys. There will be plenty more cartoons soon. See ya! What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Trouble with crane. Today, BiBi's going to construction site to make sure all the cars work well. Uh-oh, looks like something bad just happened. It's the truck crane. It's broken. What should we do, BiBi? Can you help?
Of course.
Sure.
Ho!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Well. Your winch is broken. Let's get you a new one.
Is this the one?
Nuh-uh. Looks like a yo-yo toy.
How about this one?
This rope is better, but it still's not what we need.
Let's try this.
Yay! Hold on a second. I'll get you a hook. Okay. And now let's see how you can handle it. Hey, wait a minute. There's something wrong with your hydraulic motor. Let's see. You need a new one. Let's get it. So, can you guys see what we need? Right! There it is! Let's fix it, friends! Come on, try and pick something up! Oh, oh no! Okay, put me down! Let's back to work! Whoa! Oh, it's time to build a crane! Are you ready? first we should do the concrete footing to make sure our crane don't fall. Then, our friend truck crane will help us to put together a few sections. They are fixed together with the parts called mounting fingers. After a few segments are set, it's time to put a climbing section. Climbing section goes up and down. After that's done, it's time for operator's cap and a turntable, to which we will fix this long jeep, as well as the counter jeep in the back. Both parts are made on the ground and later put up. It's good we have our friend truck crane. It helps us a lot. It puts parts into the climbing section and the crane builds itself and gets higher and higher. Once it reaches the correct height, it stops. Because we're building a skyscraper, our crane should be very high.
Wow, BiBi, that is very interesting. Especially now when everything goes according to plan. It's so great that you could help us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And so finally the crane was ready to build. Everyone is really happy. Soon the skyscraper will be finished, but until then, there's plenty of work to be done. So let's not be lazy and get back to work.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.